How to create a Orion Stars Store account. This video is designed to help our agents and distributors maximize their profits. Log in to your Subdistributor account by visiting https://orionstars.vip87811. Click on Create. Fill out the account and password fields, then click Save. To recharge an account, click Update, then Recharge. Enter the amount and click Recharge. To redeem or remove balance, click Update, then Redeem. Enter the amount and click Redeem. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share this video.